Welcome to the Start Here module. This module is open all semester for you to return to as you complete the course. I want to show you one great trick to make this course go smoothly. Let me show you. This button right down here is your best friend. To make sure that you complete the course and don't miss anything, the easiest thing in the world to do is to just click the Next button. This will take you through the entire course and you will never miss a page. Let's see what happens when we click Next here. It takes you to my page. Yay! You can scroll down and read this. There's my website. A couple of little videos. I think these are so much fun. You can do these on Animoto.com for free, and they are wonderful. You might even want to add one of those to your cyber cafe as you go on. So now we go down, and after we've studied all this information, watch the little tutorials, we click Next. And you can even see what Next is going to bring to you. And if you got, at some point, we couldn't remember, you can always go back to the previous page. This is the best way to get through this course. It'll make sure that you never miss a page. Again, welcome to the course. Welcome to the Start Here menu. This is open for you all semester. I'm excited.